Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've recently had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A4 Saloon S-line with 35 TDI engine and the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model is finished in the stunning Navara blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre diesel engine you get 160 brake horsepower with 370 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 7.9 seconds and onto a top speed of 142 miles per hour. Fitted to the front we have these fabulous Audi LED headlights giving you optimal visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners we have these 19-inch 5-spoke Torsion design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and working really nicely with the S-line styling package. With the boot lid popped open you get 495 litres of boot space, which is perfect for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage or weekly family shop, and with the rear seats folded you get 1495 litres for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in part leather part Alcantara for maximum comfort and luxury, as well as the centre armrest and tri-zone climate control, so the rear passengers can set a different temperature and be at their utmost comfort. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the S-line leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual-zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The Audi virtual cockpit is controlled using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel, giving you maximum control over what is displayed in front of you. On the right is your volume and voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left is your cruise control and speed limiter for the precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button which brings up the rear camera and front and rear sensors to make parking all the easier. Thanks to the dual-zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures, where you can synchronise them if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.